Alright, today is Zippo Saturday, and I just happen to have some Lucky Charms in the pantry. So let's take a look at the new Zippo. Now it came in this nice protective white box, and it is labeled as the Clover design. And inside the white protective box is the normal black Zippo box. It's a genuine Zippo made in the USA. No weird stickers on it. Zippo is in Bradford, PA, USA. So let's take a look at this new one. And it is the Clover design. And it is a premium Zippo, and it is also a, that says GID, supposed to be glow in the dark, and on the sides you can see the little mirrors, and like I said, it's a premium. This is a kind of a nice one because it's covered on all sides with this Clover design. Top, sides, and not bottom. So this is a genuine Zippo, really good stampings, made in L of 23, which is, I think that's November. Bradford, PA, made in USA. Got a pretty good sound. Lights up nice. And I do have a few Lucky Clover type designs. I do have one leprechaun, and I do have the one-sided Lucky Clover dice design, and my best Clover is this Clover design. It was featured, this lighter was featured in the Indiana Jones Last Crusade movie. This is not a movie prop, and it was made in sometime in 2017. These are pretty hard to get a hold of. It's really a nice one. It's my best Clover. But getting back to this one, it's got a good design, good sound, lights up nice. Let's do a drop test. Try that again. One more time. It sure bounces nice. Okay, so it passes the drop test. That is the Zippo Clover design on a Zippo Saturday. And it definitely needs, well, let's check one more thing. How much does a Zippo actually weigh? Somebody asked me that one time. So let's take a look at this one. So Zippo weighs 2.2 ounces. So that's how much a Zippo weighs. It's a good design, and it's definitely worth a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.